Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Printers are an indispensable appliance in any office, especially if your company needs excellent quality and fast printing speeds. An all-in-one printer is a device made up of multiple peripheral functionalities and capabilities, including printing, copying, and scanning. In this video, we're going to show you some of the best all-in-one printers. So without further delay, let's get started with the video. In this video, we're going to show you some of the best all-in-one printers on the market. High volume and commanding medium to large workgroups looking for one piece of material to fill all of their requirements can see to the MFC L6 all-in-one monochrome laser printer of Brother to support them print, scan, print, and fax documents. This fast, wireless capable printer has an excellent printer rate of 48 ppm, which it also utilizes to copy speed, and it has a resolution of 1200 by 1200 dpi. Users will also be able to efficiently produce reports ranging in size up to 8.5 by 14 inches with ease, employing either the 520 sheet central input tray or the 50 sheet multi-purpose tray. Both an 80 sheet ADF and a great legal size flatbed are ready for scanning and copying. Scanning benefits from a great optical resolution of 1200 by 1200 dpi, and it can operate in simplex at 50 IPM in black or 20 IPM in color. A multifunctional system for a small company or home office, the Officejet 5255 all-in-one inkjet printer of HP gives printing, scanning, copying, and faxing purposes for creating and digitizing records. This model can provide 4800 by 1200 dpi prints at rates of 7 ppm for color and 10 ppm for black, allowing media up to 8.5 by 14 inches legal down to 3 by 5 inch paper. Borderless printing is possible for media as big as 8.5 by 11 inches, while scanning operations can be done either on a flatbed or ADF at a visual resolution of 1200 dpi. Dual-sided printing, scanning, and copying are all probable. However, scanning and copying require to be done manually. The Officejet 5255 can join to your computer through USB 2.0 for standard printing, or utilize its built-in Wi-Fi functionality for straightforward wireless printing. Filling a broad range of requirements in a slim design, the Expression Premium XP830 small-in-one inkjet printer from Epson can print, scan, copy, and fax reports for your home or small workgroup. Intelligent of reproducing at fast rates of 14 ppm in black or 11 ppm in color with a 5-color Claria Premium ink set, as well as reaching a max resolution of 5760 by 1440 dpi, the XP830 will operate for high-quality printing images and high-volume documents. It emphasizes both a 100-page input tray and a 30-page ADF that allows for double-sided printing, scanning, copying, and color faxing of materials up to 8.5 by 14 inches. Scanning is possible through the ADF or an 8.5 by 11.7 inch flatbed. The maximum hardware resolution is 4800 dpi, which can be added to a 9600 by 9600 dpi maximum. Save space, time, and devices with the wireless-capable Officejet Pro 8720 all-in-one inkjet printer of HP, which packs printing, scanning, copying, and faxing comments into a single unit. This advanced model is also instant ink ready, so users will forever have a fresh cartridge at the ready. At its core, the 8720 is an outstanding printer with a resolution of 2400 by 1200 dpi and ISO print speeds of 24 ppm in black and 20 ppm in color. A draft mode can boost this speed to 37 ppm, while thermal inkjet technology assures sharp and bright images and text. The unit can produce two-sided prints at a rate of 20 ppm in black or 17 ppm in color, and can produce borderless photos at up to 8.5 by 11 inches or A4 sizes. Save money and store on printing with the Inkvestment Super High Yield ink cartridges employed by the wireless and NFC-capable MFCJ98DW XL all-in-one inkjet printer of Brother, with which 3 full-size ink kits are included. Also, being capable of printing, scan, copy, and fax from a single unit will be suitable for many homes and small offices. Printing at a resolution of up to 6000 by 1200 dpi, users will be capable of creating highly accurate images in color or black and white with satisfaction. The unit can present prints at a rate up to 12 ppm in black or 10 ppm in color. Additionally, it extends both duplex and borderless print options for reports up to 8.5 by 11 inches and can handle normal reports at sizes up to 8.5 by 14 inches. Scanning and copying are made feasible through the use of an 8.5 by 11.7 inch flatbed or the 20-sheet ADF. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.